Hi, counting down the top 20 questions about medical writing received in 2019. Question number 4 is, why is medical writing required? This is one of those rationale questions when someone says, why is something even required? Why is something even important? Or why should medical writing even exist? It's an interesting question. To answer this question, I'd like to reflect upon something which was shared to me by a medical writer with over 20 years of experience. And he said, medical writing is the backbone of clinical development. I like this analogy because when you see a person, you just see their exterior. You don't see their backbone. And the same is true of a successful clinical development program or a clinical device program, where you see the success that the program is having, you see the amazing things that the pharmaceutical product or the device is having on people's lives. You see it clearly impacting people's lives in a positive way. But no one really sees the medical writing holding it all up. It really is the backbone of clinical development, and it's certainly here to stay. Not only does it sustain clinical development, but when you also think about the steps that follow, such as launching the product, making sure that healthcare providers are finding out about the product, making sure that patients and healthcare providers and advocacy groups are getting the information they need about a certain pharmaceutical drug or a device, is all a part of medical writing. And when you look at the different flavors of medical writing, you can place them at specific locations within the clinical development roadmap or within the clinical development landscape. And that's the reason why medical writing is required. It's required because it's the backbone of clinical development. So think about that, and all the best.